Today we are going to make meatballs and potato curry or Kofte Aloo Salan. It is a very simple and delicious recipe. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipe. Let's start.
In a mixing bowl, take 500 grams of mutton mince which we have grind to a fine paste. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, salt to taste, two teaspoon of onion paste. We are going to mix everything very nicely and let it rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare our curry base. For that we need half cup of oil. Add 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 5 to 6 cloves, quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 medium-sized finely sliced onion. We are going to fry our onions till they are golden brown in color. Onions are done. Now add 2 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoon of ginger paste. We are going to saute our ginger garlic till the rawness goes off completely. Add 1 cup of onion paste. Saute it till it changes its color. Now we are going to add our dry spices. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, salt to taste, add in a little water, and we are going to roast our spices till oil separates. Our spices are done. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree, we are going to roast our tomatoes till the excess moisture is evaporated and the spices turn aromatic. Our spices are roasted nicely. Now we are going to add 2 large potatoes which we have cut in cubes and roast our potatoes for few seconds. Add 1 cup of water. We are going to cover the lid and cook our potatoes till they are soft and tender. It has been half an hour. Our mutton mince is marinated. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of kebab ka masala, quarter cup of finely chopped onion, green chilies, green coriander leaves. Squeeze off the excess water by placing it in a muslin cloth. Mix everything very nicely. Take a ball-sized portion of the mixture, roll it and make a ball of it. Likewise, prepare the rest of the meatballs. Our potatoes are almost done. Now we are going to place the prepared meatballs gently over the masala. We are going to cover the lid and let the meatballs cook from one side. We are not going to add any water at this stage. Our meatballs are cooked from one side. Now we are going to gently flip our meatballs and cook them from the other side as well. We don't have to add any water to it as the meatballs itself releases water. They will be cooked in its own moisture. Cover the lid and let it cook from the other side. Let us check on our potatoes. It is done. Now we are going to add boiling hot water, adjusting the consistency of a gravy. Mix it gently and bring it to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. It is done. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and transfer it to a serving dish. Our meatballs, potato curry or Kofte Aloo Salan is ready.